I didn't know I have so many friends because कल जब से पता चला कि we have to interview वरुण धवन and John Abraham, every girl was calling me कि please मुझे shoot पर ले चल, please मुझे shoot पर ले चल. So I'm not gonna say hello to them. I'm just gonna say Dishum John and Dishum Varun. How are you?
Good यार.
Good but शार्दुल आप अकेले ही आए, कोई लड़की को लेके नहीं आया.
नहीं actually क्योंकि अगर मैं एक को ऑन करता तो बहुत सारी आ जाती. Do you know how popular you guys are?
No, but they could have come.
We like
no?
to see, but
Yes, the more the merrier.
yeah.
All right, so you know एक काम करते हैं हमारा थोड़ी देर बाद जब live होगा then all the girls can join. So tell me something that girls are obviously crazy about you too, but how was it shooting with each other?
Oh, we are crazy about each other.
Yeah, we're crazy. We're the best pair in town.
So who's crazier about whom more? Are you crazy about
In the
it?
film, definitely Junaid Ansari is totally crazy, bonkers about Kabir Shergill. I think
Yeah.
वो जोड़ी है and that's the type of camaraderie they share.
Okay.
और relationship ऐसे कि जुनैद अंसारी चाहता है कि कबीर उसको ले जाइए ट्रिप पे, ये केस पे. इट्स अ 36 आवर मैन हंट जहाँ में इंडिया का टॉप बैट्समैन विराट शर्मा उसको लेके वापस आना है. वी हैव टू सेव हिम.
Okay.
एंड दैट्स द केस एंड वी हैव ओनली 36 आवर्स. बट ऑन दिस केस बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज़ें हैं. वी मीट जैकलीन, वी मीट अक्षय खन्ना, वी मीट राहुल देव, वी मीट नरगिस और बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज़ें होते हैं. which
Okay.
play an impact.
Do you want to talk about your crush on Varun?
Well, Varun and I share a relationship off screen that's lovely. That's fantastic. And I think we've extended that on screen. I don't think, honestly, I don't think we felt we've even made a film. We want to actually work together again. And I think it's a mutual feeling. And I give credit to even Rohit for that because our director's been fantastic.
Yeah.
So it's an all-round, I mean, it's a mutual admiration society here. And honestly, we all really love each other.
All right, so now you have to tell one bad thing about John and one bad thing about Varun because there's so much of love going around.
I can tell you.
You start.
No, Varun's very excitable all the time, and I think the bad thing is that in his excitement he could get hurt,
Okay.
and I think that's dangerous. So I think that's the only thing where you need to really control him and say, okay, listen, wake up, smell the coffee, slow down.
No, not too much of coffee.
Yeah, not.
आई थिंक जॉन के बारे में ही इज टू डिसिप्लिन्ड. आई फील कभी कभी हम लोग बहुत लंबे स्केड्यूल पे गए थे और उस पूरे स्केड्यूल में उन्होंने मुझे खाली 2 बार बाहर लेके गए. आई थॉट वील पार्टी एवरी नाइट एंड वील हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन एंड
We went to Afghani restaurant.
अफगानी रेस्टोरेंट वाज वेरी
Yeah, that
गुड.
was just once,
अफगानी फूड इज रियली गुड.
and we had sushi.
वी हैड सुशी.
Afghani restaurant में जाके sushi.
Sushi.
That's amazing.
इट्स अ मिक्स.
So did Nargis and Jacqueline feel ignored on the sets because it was Varun and John, and did those conversations happen कि who has a bigger bicep, me or you?
जैकलीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स इन द वर्ल्ड. मतलब
Okay.
पूरे दुनिया में इतनी खुश इंसान को मैं कभी नहीं
अगर अकेले भी है तो हंसते रहेगी वो.
so happy.
Yeah.
She must be happy right now, smiling somewhere. I bet she is.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
तो उसको
amazing.
मतलब कोई insecurity नहीं था. मतलब she was just like enjoying in her
She's
space.
part of the group in this because she's not
She's
just
one of the
like-
boys.
Yeah, she's one of the boys.
Okay. So but कितनी बातें होती थी on sets about fitness because you know obviously when we have Varun and John together. So
And Jacqueline.
and Jack, she's into fitness?
ओ बाप रे.
Crazy.
Yeah?
More-
जैकलीन का कुछ अलग ही लेवल है.
Yeah.
More than you guys.
Yeah. She's
Ah,
always
she's
in
a
serums
different level.
and like moisturizers and creams.
Yeah.
And she's working
Oils.
out. Oil. She's skipping on the side.
और अगर आप ब्रेक में जैकलीन को देखोगे she'll be stretching somewhere.
Yeah.
Wow.
मतलब कुछ अलग ही लेवल पे वो.
दूसरा level type का.
Okay, तो अब एक काम करते हैं. Since it's about Dishum, we're going to, you know, and you are the Dishum brothers, we are going to give you some options जिस पर आपको अपने opinion देने हैं on random things. All right, so we'll start with you, Varun. Pizza.
Hunger.
You're hungry as like right now?
Right now, I'll have a pizza.
No diet, no carbs,
No,
less.
there is obviously a diet and everything that goes on, but I mean when I hear pizza, I just feel very hungry.
Okay, Twitter.
Twitter misused.
Are you not very active on Twitter?
मैं काफ़ी एक्टिव नहीं हूँ क्योंकि सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मीडियम्स होते हैं.
Yeah.
जैसे ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, स्नैपचैट. लेकिन ज़्यादातर जिस तरीके से हम लोग इसे यूज़ करते हैं वो एक अलग बात है. और जिस तरीके से हमारी जो ऑडियंस है ज़्यादातर क्या होता है ना कि अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकम फेसलेस.
Correct.
मतलब उनके फेसेस नहीं होते तो दे
attack
गेट दे अटैक, दे गेट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट
Yeah.
कि उन लोगों को कोई देख नहीं सकता.
Yeah.
सो आई फील दैट्स द माइनस पॉइंट. बट अगर आप उसको साइड में रखें then I think it's a fantastic, powerful weapon. Twitter is a powerful weapon.
Wow. So you also spoke about Snapchat is the in thing. Are you on Snapchat?
I am on Snapchat, but I'm private.
Oh, so no people can't follow you.
I'm not going back.
Yeah, that's cool though, yaar. Like there's so many people who
Too
want
many without
Follow you.
clothes, without clothes.
Too many naked pictures.
to. You're just giving them.
Serious?
You're just like you know और बोल रहे हो कि आ जाओ मुझे follow करो. अभी देखो बहुत request आने वाली. All right. Teenagers.
I think the future.
Okay.
क्योंकि इंडियाज आपको पता होगा, हमारी ऑडियंस को भी ये पता होगा कि इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट यंगेस्ट पॉपुलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. हमारी जो पॉपुलेशन है 1.3 बिलियन है और उसमें से 700 मिलियन पीपल आर बिलो द एज ऑफ 35. और उसमें से मे बी 300 to 400 मिलियन आर टीनेजर्स. तो आप सोच सकते हो द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अमेरिका इज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टीनेजर्स इन इंडिया. अब अभी ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स आप किसी के सामने लाओ, दे विल से इंडिया इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड.
यार दिस इज लाइक स्पॉट बॉय नॉट अर्नब का शो. कितने स्टैटिस्टिक्स याद है जॉन को.
करेक्ट है, पर बहुत
He is very good with mathematics.
He's superb.
Yeah?
His research is
All right, this one is fun. I don't know, but weed.
Weed.
ढिशुम.
Weed. Good if it's for medical use.
Okay. Protein shakes.
Protein shakes. Like I say, if you want to get high in one night, have whiskey. If you want to get high in life, have a protein shake.
All right.
Yeah.
Buy protein shake लेके आओ. All right. Sense board.
Should be sensible.
Should be sensible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Clearly. Cardio.
Cardio बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Really?
Very important.
You do a lot of cardio?
I do cardio all the time.
Okay. तो but can you all right, look, ये कार्डियो की ही बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. We are going to just move on. But are you planning to launch some John Abraham?
I keep telling him this. Ask him.
Yeah.
I keep telling him.
Internet पे please release कर दो ना John Abraham workout regime or something.
तो मैम, for a start, for our viewers, I'm going to go on to Facebook Live and I'm going to be doing a lot of workouts for different body parts.
Must do
और उनको दिखाने वाला हूँ. और उसके बाद we're definitely coming out with something special जो probably 2 महीने में we'll announce.
I keep seeing ये एक John Abraham range होना चाहिए, where if there are even protein shakes or protein bars or any nutrition types of workouts or whatever. I think क्योंकि इनके पास इतना knowledge है, इतना experience है कि जो लोग गलत workout कर रहे हैं, he can save them from injuries that could happen.
Yeah.
Save them from harming their body. तो
Yeah.
educational value के लिए I request him that he should do
I
this
request
as
you to.
well.
I've just had 3 injuries, तो please.
Yeah, see.
Like हमारी body बनती है, injury होती रहती है. Well, thank you so much, Varun. Thank you so much, John, for being here with us, and I wish you all the best for
Thank
the
you
show.
so much.
I'm gonna go there first day, first show. Are you going? Stay tuned.